In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using the hyperlink function. If you've ever wanted to make your data more interactive and connected, embedding links directly within your Google Sheets is a fantastic way to do that. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to start by opening a Google Sheet. If you don't have one ready, go ahead and create a new one by navigating to sheetsgoogle.com and clicking on the blank document option. Google Sheets is a powerful tool for your data management needs, and creating hyperlinks within it can take your spreadsheet capabilities to the next level. Once your sheet is open, the next step is to select a cell where you want to place your hyperlink. Simply click on the cell. Choosing the right cell is key because this is where your hyperlink will appear. It's important to remember that the hyperlink will overwrite any existing data in this cell, so ensure it's a blank or appropriate spot in your sheet. Now, it's time to enter the hyperlink formula. In the cell you selected, you'll want to type in the formula. I'll hyperlink https www.facebook.com, Facebook. This formula does two things. It inserts a clickable link into your cell and assigns it a user-friendly name. The first part, within the quotation marks, is the actual URL you'd like to link to. You can replace https://www.facebook.com with any URL of your choosing, perhaps your company website or a useful resource link. The second part, the word Facebook in quotes, is the text that will appear in the cell. This can be any name or descriptor you wish to use, making it easy for others or yourself to know where the link leads. Once you've typed out your formula, the next step is to hit the Enter key. By doing this, your hyperlink is created, and you'll see the link text you specified appear in the cell, nicely formatted and ready for use. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to click on it and it will direct you to the specified URL. Remember, using the hyperlink function in Google Sheets is an excellent way to enhance the accessibility of your data, connecting your spreadsheet information to external sources in a seamless manner. This feature can be really helpful for businesses, students, or anyone looking to make their data more dynamic and informative. Thank you for tuning in and learning with me today. I hope you found this guide to creating hyperlinks in Google Sheets clear and beneficial. Feel free to experiment with different links and text to suit your needs. Enjoy making your spreadsheets more functional and connected than ever before.